that are maintained properly. Gusto mong dugtungan, Alison, yung sagot mo?
Yung mga na-maintain po na tools ay mas mabuti pong magagamit.
Mas maayos na magagamit, or they can perform their job efficiently. Okay, so it's mean ayos natin silang magagamit because they are in a good condition because we maintain them properly. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, next, number 3. Who else? Okay, let's have JB again.
When you keep tools and equipment in good shape, you reduce the risk of injury to the operator.
Okay, so in your own words, do you have an idea regarding number 3 reason?
Wala pa po, ma'am. Isip lang.
Let's try or pull another one. Who wants to who wants to give that an idea? Let's see about Arix. About Arix.
Ma'am, tungkol po saan?
Number 3 po.
Ma'am, mas mapapatagal pa po.
Mas
Mapapatagal pa
Number
po yung
three?
buhay ng tools, ma'am.
Nakatagal, which is yung number 1 po yun, yung nabanggit natin kanina. They last longer. Who is using Sarah May? Is this?
Ma'am, si Clarence po.
Clarence, okay.
Ma'am, try lang
Okay,
po.
you may answer na, anak.
Pag nasa maayos daw po nakalagay yung tools and equipment, mababawasan po yung risk and injury na pwedeng ma-affect sa manggagawa. Tama po ba?
Alright. So, correct, no po? So, when we maintain our tools, no? Whenever our